Hello, I'm making these videos so that you can use them as reference when you're working. So I want to do the basic things. First, to show you the dashboard of WordPress. So here I am at the WordPress login page. I put in my passwords and I'm going to log in. Okay. This is your dashboard. It will tell you all sorts of information here. When you start getting orders, you'll see the orders up here and things that have been posted lately. I'm going to show you only the things that you are going to need to work on in this menu here on the left side. I strongly suggest you don't touch the rest of the website, the menu options, just the ones that I'm going to show you. And what I'm going to show you in this video is how to add a new product. Here we have media, pages, blog, this and that, and this is we'll go into later. Here is WooCommerce, which runs your e-commerce program. It's the best for WordPress. And here is under that products. When I go to products, I can choose all products just to see what's there. And in a second, remember this is on a server, a very slow server. It'll be on in the end, when we finish the web, it will be on a fast server. Okay, we have here, you can see some of these violin player in Tzvat. We have it in stock. This is how much it costs. This is the regular price. This is a sale price. Here we have the categories. We have Joan Gross and photography. Ceramics, Tzvilando, for instance. I use that. I made this, and I'm going to right now. In short, you see all the products you can get here. If you would like to, you can select the gallery to filter. For instance, if you just want to see Marian Hiller's, then you put in Marian Hiller and you press filter. And you see we only have Marian Hiller products here. Okay? I can use the search products to search a special product. I could do by dates, for instance. Here I want to show all. I'll go back to select and filter them out so I can see them all. Okay, I made this yesterday. I'm going to delete it. Notice that I can go to do edits, and I can do trash. I can do, even if I want to, I can duplicate this to, if I want to do a violin player in Tzvat, but let's say a violin player in Netanya. I could duplicate this and use it. But usually, it's so easy to add a new product, I don't use duplicate. Here, I'm going to put this in the trash. I'm trashing this, the cup that I made yesterday. It's not here anymore, but if you notice, it says here in trash, it says here 1, it's in the trash. If I did that by mistake, or I want to remove it from the trash and put it back in, I can do that also. But here, I want to show you how to add a product. So I can do it here, or I can do it here. Here I'm adding a project. Okay, go in here and I write here cup. Here in the text, I have two ways of looking at what I'm writing. The text, which is more of the code, or the text with the code, and here visual. You'll see in the second the difference between them. A beautiful course, I didn't spell that right. Beautiful ceramic cup. Okay. What I meant by text and visual, I'm now in text mode, but if I go to visual, you will see that this is how it's going to look on the page. Okay? I go down here, and in another video I'm going to show you how to use this, or maybe now, but then I go to Add Product Gallery Image. Excuse me, Set Product Image. And this takes me to my library, my media library. Now, I want to upload a file. Even though I have this here, I'm going to upload it again just to show you. I pressed upload. Now I press here select files. Now it goes into it went into my computer, and I have to find where my image is, and here it is, mug number 1. I selected it and double clicked on it, and here it comes, slowly but surely, very slowly. Okay, notice that it is, I haven't, it's misuman, right? I could use any of these pictures here for my product. I can only use one of them. You see, I can't click on 2. But this is the one I want to use. If I want to delete this for any reason, I can delete it over here. But I want to use it. So I'm saying set product image. Okay, you see, here it is. Shows up. Then I go up here to product categories. I want it to be in number 1, ceramics. And I want it to be in Svilando. Alright, here I go. Now here's a couple of things I need to do. Here's my regular price and my sale price. Let's say I want to sell it for $100. I put it here. Then I have to go here to add custom field name. And I need to put here my artist name. This is because when I'm going to put, I told it to go both in Svilando's homepage or page and also ceramics. Putting my name here, the artist name here at Svilando, will put that name on the product in the ceramic page. So when I go to the ceramic page, it will say that it comes from that the artist of this mug is Svilando or whatever product you're talking about, and there will be a link. I will show you this. And here at the bottom is where I put in a ceramic made by hand. Of course, this is all wrong, and I spelled that wrong again, so I can fix it. And then when I finish, I'm going to go to publish. I can save it as a draft and it won't show up on the website, but if I want to publish it now, it will go up on the website. Okay, you click, everything is there, and you see I now have here update in case I want to make an update. Let's say I wanted to write this. Okay, a beautiful white ceramic cup, and I go to update this page because it's already on the website, and I now update it. Okay, it's updated. Now I can go to the website, and here's our website, and I'm going to reload the page. And under here, I have Svilando. I will show you how I put that in the menu in another video. And I click on Svilando. And here I go to Svilando's page. I don't have any text or videos for Svilando because I'm just checking it out. Notice that it has the name here, and add the card. And if I go to ceramics, I am going to see it on the ceramics page. Here's the ceramics page. Okay? Now, notice it's going to say here Zwielando. This one we haven't done yet, but you see here Zwielando, and if I click on Zwielando, it's going to take me to the Zwielando page, because I added it in that special field for the artist's name. Well, this wasn't right, but it should have done that. We were going to fix that. Okay, now I've shown you how to add a product. We're going to go back to the products page. And you see here it's in it's published 2 minutes ago. You have here the dates of everything. And that is how you add a product. Very simple. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.